Hello, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet blanket with this crochet stitch. I used an F hook and medium worsted yarn. It is done in multiples of 5 plus 2, so I'm going to show you a sample of 25 and then the turning chain of 2, so 27 altogether. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to do a sample size of 25 plus 2, and you can always make this bigger. This is just a sample size. So once you have your chain, you can measure it, and that will be the width of your blanket across. So in the third chain from the hook, after your chain 2, third chain, I'm going to work a half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Work a half double crochet in each chain until you get to the end for this first row. I have links down below on how to do the basic stitches, as well as placing this video in slow motion if you need to. So you're going to start with a chain 3 to get started, and then a treble crochet 3 times in the next 3 stitches. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook in that first stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and a little part of that loop didn't get all the way through, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over twice again and repeat for the next 3 stitches, which will be the 3 treble crochet. So you're pulling through 2 loops 3 times. Now you're going to create the stitch. It's a wraparound stitch. So you're going to yarn over, go behind, grab the yarn, and pull it through, then yarn over 4 more times for a total of 5. Grab the yarn from behind. It's kind of like a back post. That's 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 1 more time. It's going to look like this. And then insert your hook in the next stitch, grab the yarn, then yarn over and pull through all loops. So that first loop, and then all of the loops on the hook. And this yarn was a little sticky, so I had to do it a few times. You may be able to pull all the way through. So it's going to look like this for your first stitch. Now insert into the next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, and chain 3 times. And then yarn over and pull through both loops to complete. And then you're just going to repeat 3 treble crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then a wrap around again. And that is the pattern until you get to the end. Now I'm going to do a repeat of the wraparound, the 3 treble crochet. So yarn over and go behind the 3 and grab the yarn 5 times. Okay, and it's going to look like this again. Then go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. If you have really smooth yarn, like I said, you should be able to pull through in one try. This is red heart yarn, and sometimes it can be a little sticky and it doesn't want to pull all the way through. Okay, so it's going to look like this, and then you're just repeating again, going into the next stitch, and then chaining the 3, and then the rest is just all repeat until you get to the end, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops there, and then work your 3 treble crochet again. And then just repeat with the wraparound 5 times in the back. Okay, insert into the next stitch and grab the yarn and yarn over and pull through all loops. You're going to end with a chain 3 and then a yarn over and pull through. It's going to look like this. Chain 2, turn, and then this row you're going to half double crochet in that stitch and then half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then you're going to half double crochet in between the chain and the wraparound stitch there, and then just repeat until you get to the end. Work your half double crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then half double crochet in between the chain and the wraparound stitch there, and then just repeat until you get all the way until the end. Okay, at the end, work in that chain half double crochet. Make sure you have your 25 stitches if you did the chain count of the 25. And then you're going to work those wraparound stitches again with a chain 3 and then turn. Okay, so this is all repeat. Work a treble crochet in the next 3 stitches and then work your wraparound. So this will be a little bit faster because this is just all repeat again. So just go into the next stitch and yarn over, and then yarn over again and pull through all your loops. And then you will work the chain 3 next to it. And then yarn over and pull through your loops. And then just repeat that stitch again next to it. So you're going to work the chain 3, and then pull through your 2 loops. And then the rest is going to be a half double crochet across, and then you'll just repeat between those 2 rows. So end with your half double crochet. Make sure it is your count that you had for your chain count. This is the back and the front. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.